Thank God for social media. People are no longer afraid to come and talk about themselves. People are no longer afraid or ashamed of who they are. With social media, you see someone coming up to tell you how much they've made, their life experiences. I mean, several things people should have hidden from the camera or hidden from the public is now made public. Ask me why. I'm sure you know the answer. That's because they are getting financed for showing themselves to the world. I mean, years ago, people rather hide their true identity than coming out to talk about themselves. I mean, for example, Dodash, she made a video that she earned over $10,000. I mean, on a normal day, would you on a normal day, do you think she would come out to tell you that's what she made? I mean, that's getting a whole lot of attention, a whole lot of communication, a whole lot of vibes, and people are expressing themselves. I mean, social media is good, don't get me wrong. It's good because it's empowering a whole lot of people. Like I was talking to someone the other day. There's a very young, upcoming, vibrant TikToker, Pela. He just started trending, not because he of anything special, because he's putting himself out there. And people come out and say they need help, they need assistance. I mean, with what is happening, you are your best assistant. Come out, show yourself. In fact, the video you don't expect to go viral, that is the video that would definitely go viral. I'm just here sitting down and wondering. I'm like, there's so many things I'm seeing on this social media space. I'm like, why are people doing this? Some will say they're fooling themselves. But come to think about it, those same people that are fooling themselves, they are getting a whole lot of communication, engagement, people chatting on their videos, people sharing their videos, either positive or negatively. They are getting the engagement they need for that video, and that video going viral. I hear people give a whole lot of comment about certain individuals, and I'm like, hang on a minute. Why is this person actually saying this? Why is this person actually telling us what we don't even want to know? They're telling you these things because they know you would be interested. Obviously, people say the new way of making money is by going online, sharing video, talking about your life experience. And with that, you could get monetized if you're a YouTuber, or if not even on YouTube, with other social media platforms, if you're able to gain followers, gain engagement, that could be a stepping stone. So you guys, I would love to know your comment on this issue. So if you're new to Auguilicious, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this whole new way of making money. I mean,